Welcome to this important tutorial. If you're new around here, please make sure to smash the subscribe button because we drop tips, tricks, and tutorials frequently to help you get the best from your smartphones. Today's video is one you seriously don't want to skip because I'm going to walk you through 3 Chrome settings that are secretly working against you right now. And the worst part is, most people have absolutely no idea these settings even exist on their device. We're talking about protecting your personal data from being harvested, speeding up your phone, and cutting down on data and unnecessary internet traffic, all in just a few minutes. So grab your phone right now, open it up, and let's get straight into it together. First thing first, setting number 1 is how to upgrade your browsing protection. Select your Chrome app on your phone, click in the 3 dots in the top right corner, go into Settings, and then scroll down until you see Privacy and Security. Tap on that, and then scroll a little further until you see Safe Browsing. Now here's it. Straight out of the box, your phone is automatically set on standard protection. And honestly, in today's world, that is just not good enough. Select Enhanced Protection instead. When you actually compare the 2 options side by side, Enhanced Protection is doing so much more for you. It actively warns you about dangerous websites, suspicious file downloads, and dodgy extensions before they even get the chance to do any damage to your device or your data. Standard protection only provide minimum of the above. So do yourself a massive favor and switch it over to Enhanced Protection right now. Once you do that, I can assure you that Google will generally work a lot harder in the background to keep your device safe every single time you browse. Setting number 2, block third-party cookies. All right, this is another bug you need to pay attention to. Head back from that screen and scroll up just a little until you see the option for third-party cookies. Now, this one generally pisses me every time I talk about it. Your phone is set to it by default, and this is the part nobody wants you to know. Your phone is set to allow third-party cookies. Nobody told you that. Nobody asked for your permission. It's just quietly switched on the moment you set up your device. Kindly note that with this on, sites track your every move online, collect your personal data, and pass it around freely to advertisers. And in the worst-case scenarios, scammers can actually get their hands on that information too. This is simply not acceptable. So tap into that setting right now and switch it to block third-party cookies immediately. Once you make this change, your browsing becomes far more private, those preview hyper-targeted ads will reduce way down, and most importantly, you take back control of your own personal data. It may interest you to note that roughly 70 to 80% of the settings on our devices are configured to benefit the developers and advertisers, not you as the user. So it is absolutely on us to go in and make the changes ourselves. Please subscribe if you are finding values in this tips. Make to like and share this video as well. And then, setting number 3, turn off preloading pages. Now for this last tip, scroll down and look for the option called Preload Pages. Go ahead and tap on it. Once again, just like the others, it's set to standard preloading straight out of the box. Now what this actually means is that Chrome is constantly trying to predict what link or page you're trying to tap on next, and it's loading all of that data quietly in the background without you ever asking it to do so. Most of your data are consumed in the process while slowing and clogging your phone down. The fix is simple. Switch it to no reloading. That's it. Pages now only load when you actually choose it to open up, and you will notice your phone feeling snappy, faster, and your data lasting a lot longer throughout the day. So, let's quickly bring it all together. 3 settings in just a few minutes' time with genuinely massive difference to your day-to-day mobile phone experience. Number 1, switch safe browsing from standard to enhanced protection. Hashtag 2, block third-party cookies straight away. Hashtag 3, turn off preloading pages completely.
Once again, if you found this video helpful, please do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. It generally helps the channel grow and means I can keep making free content like this for you. Hit subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a thing, because we have got loads more coming covering Windows PC performance tips, Android tips, tricks, and how to protect yourself from scammers and hackers. And you can also check out my playlists. Many of the tips there will really benefit and help you in operating and enhancing your Windows PC and smartphone's performance. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.